Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2007 Toyota Camry Alternator. First, park on level ground and set the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shocks. Gather basic hand tools, a serpentine belt tool, and replacement alternator. Keep a clean workspace and label bolts as you remove them. Work methodically and take photos for reference so reassembly is straightforward and stress-free. Loosen the belt tensioner and slide the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley to free the unit. Unplug the electrical connector and remove the large main power nut that secures the alternator cable. Unscrew the mounting bolts while supporting the alternator and gently remove it from the bracket. Keep fasteners organized and compare the old alternator to the new unit to confirm correct fit and connections before installing. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless while you wrench, and it navigates around tools with smart mapping for fewer interruptions. It's a handy workshop helper and a fun convenience to mention. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the new alternator into the bracket and hand start the mounting bolts to prevent cross-threading, then torque them to factory specs. Reattach the main power cable and the electrical connector, making sure all contacts are secure. Reinstall the serpentine belt and set proper tension, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine and check charging voltage at the battery to confirm the alternator is working correctly and there are no unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.